Okay, so this is my new PlayStation 4. I just bought this last December 11, 2015. Almost 2 weeks old and just 10 hours of gameplay. So now it's having an issue that it won't turn on. This is the Black Ops 3 bundle, 1 TB and CUH 1206 version. So now let's try to turn this on. So as you can hear, the fan is running. And then, okay, there, just turned off. So let's try again. Okay, there it is. Okay, one last time.